Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode of the DIY Garage, where we talk about all things DIY and the tools that make it easier and more efficient. Today, we are talking about the best lacquer spray guns on the market, and I have 5 top contenders to show you. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. Number 1. The Campbell Hausfeld HVLP Gravity Paint Spray Gun. This gun is perfect for those looking for a reliable and easy-to-use option for their DIY projects. The HVLP technology ensures a high transfer efficiency and a fine, even finish. As you can see, the Campbell Hausfeld HVLP Gravity Paint Spray Gun is easy to use and produces a smooth, even finish. It's perfect for those who are just starting out with spray guns or for those who want a reliable option for their project. Number 2. The HomeRite C800766 Max Paint Spray Gun. This gun is perfect for those who are looking for a versatile option that can be used for a variety of projects. The adjustable control knob allows you to easily change the spray pattern, making it perfect for a wide range of projects. As you can see, the HomeRite Max Paint Spray Gun is versatile and easy to use. It's perfect for those who want a gun that can be used for a wide range of projects, from furniture to cabinets and even walls. Number 3. The Ingersoll Rand 210G Edge Series Spray Gun. This gun is perfect for those who want a professional quality option for their projects. The Edge Series technology ensures a fine, even finish, while the adjustable air cap allows you to control the spray pattern for precise results. As you can see, the Ingersoll Rand 210G Edge Series Spray Gun is a high-quality option for those who want professional results. It's perfect for those who have experience with spray guns and are looking for a reliable option for their project. Number 4. The DeWalt DWM-T70777 HVLP Gravity Spray Gun. This gun is perfect for those who are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use option for their projects. The HVLP technology ensures a high transfer efficiency and a fine, even finish. As you can see, the DeWalt HVLP Gravity Spray Gun is a reliable and easy-to-use option for those who want a fine, even finish. It's perfect for those who are looking for a reliable option for their projects. And finally, number 5. The NEIKO 31214A HVLP Air Spray Paint Gun. This gun is perfect for those who are looking for an affordable and efficient option for their projects. The HVLP technology ensures a high transfer efficiency, while the lightweight design makes it easy to handle and use. As you can see, the NEIKO HVLP Air Spray Paint Gun is an affordable and efficient option for those who want a fine, even finish. It's perfect for those who are on a budget or for those who are just starting out with spray guns. So, there you have it, folks. The 5 best lacquer spray guns on the market. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, there is an option here for everyone. I hope this video has been helpful in finding the right spray gun for your projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY and tool-related videos.